Welcome to another edition of the program. Today we'll be discussing on earthing system. Earthing system is a system which is used to protect a building against lightning and some other earth faults, such as earth leakage, etc. etc. Um, Here already we've installed the earthing system. By so doing, we've installed the earth bar. This is a six-way earth bar with two disconnection switch. When they talk of two disconnection switch, this is one disconnection switch and this is another disconnection switch. It is being called a disconnection switch because we can open from any of these sides, and then like you can see from below, we can remove to disconnect the supply which is coming from the earth pit to the earth bar from affecting the other terminals which are going to feed a particular equipment unit. Okay, this is the earth bar which is already installed. We already pulled the cables as well, the earth conductor. Below we have a 95 square earth conductor which is being installed as well, pulled from the pit coming to the location of the earth bar. And then we have rectangular earth bare conductors which are also grounded all round in this building, particularly in this location. So it leaves all round is a ring circuit which comes back both bare conductors to the earth bar. And then top here we have a GI conduit which is being connected, and then inside of it we've pulled a 25 square earth conductor which is going to the equipment unit. In this case, we have an MCCB which is being installed already, which is feeding some numbers of pumps in this room, which is called the main treated pump room. So it feeds some numbers of pumps. So what happened is this earth conductors which we pull the 25 square which is coming to tap on the bus bar, it goes, what we do is the first conductor 25 square we've dropped on this MCC panel, on the motor control center panel, which is feeding four numbers of pumps. So these four numbers of pumps, I will open inside so that you get to see exactly how the earth is going to be connected to the pumps. Okay, what we'll do is, it's already pulled. So now the next part now is tapping it on the frame of the panel. So that is exactly what we are going to do. Then the other part will go to a control panel which is being connected to the sump pump. I already discussed on the sump pump on the previous lessons. Okay, I'll open inside to explain more so that we know exactly how these will be connected to the pumps. Okay. Okay, I'll open from here. So inside, we already have this as a control panel, and the air conductor will be clamped on any of the sides of the frame. And then what will happen is this is the egg gland. So in the egg gland we have some terminals which will be connected to the earth. So what we'll do is we'll have to do the bonding from one cable to another cable, from one cable to another cable, from here to the main cable, and then from the main cable now we come to the bonding part of the frame, and then from the bonding will be connected to this screw, which we will have our 25 square conductor which is connected from the earth bar. Now we will connect to the frame of this same screw at the top so that everything will be added. So as such, all these cables, as you can see, it goes to a particular number of pump which is B3PST1. So this pump will be energized when I put on this. So if we put on a particular pump, for example, that is one of the pump which we have two pumps which are connected to one particular switch unit. So therefore means if this one is added, at the same time, this same cable will run right up to the level of the pump. As such, we will gland also to the pump. By glanding on the terminal box of the pump, we will also tap the earth conductor from the gland to the frame of the motor so that everything will be added. Thank you for the lessons. If there are any critics, you just please let me know so that I can make amendment on future videos. Thank you very much.